It was known that that such judgments are there.
Yeah.
Possibly the election commission was also moved for a delay. I do not know. Possibly after the results were announced, somebody realized that this can be helped for parties to get around it. Now I look at it as plainly the election helping the ruling party, because their close fist, how much is there inside, has not been tested.
Yeah.
Because if that was tested, maybe, I am not saying yes, it would be very difficult at election time in 2027. So it has helped the government.
Okay.
I really don't understand how would it help ruling party, because unless one knows for sure a particular person would not be victorious, or only particular person would be victorious, and that is not to the advantage of, I do not know what is the idea that is being floated. I really wouldn't want to go. These are all guesswork. My guess is as bad as yours.